Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and calculate shipping costs on eBay? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. Now, first things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply search for eBay shipping calculator. So just like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link right over here, and there you go. You're going to be on this page right over here. Now all you need to do is just put weight in pounds and then ounces, and then you can also put dimensions. So for example, 15 times 10, 12 times 10, and then simply go ahead and put the code. So let me just do that and just put the place you want to ship to, for example Japan, and there you go. It's going to go ahead and show you the shipping prices right over here. So that is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.